Hello everyone! Today we'll see how you can make an HDRI map at home. First of all, you'll need a tripod. Then you'll need something that can take pictures, like a phone or a camera. For this tutorial, I will use this camera. Let's go!
So we are currently in our background because we are in lockdown in France. So to do an HDRI, you need to do small increment in pitching and in rotation of your camera. You need also to do a bracketing. So you need to take a good exposed image and underexpose, like one stop underexposed and one stop overexposed image. So you have more data in the light and in the shadow. Now that it's done, we can go on the computer and composite our image.
Once you've shot all of your photos, you can create a new file in your desktop named HDRI and put them in. Then we need to use a software which is named PTGui, and we'll use the free version of this software. You need to load your image in the program by clicking, grabbing the module and hit open. Then you can check if your setup is good. I used a real foot frame and a 24mm lens. Then I press Align Images. It will take some time. When it's all done, you will have an image like that. Don't worry, we'll crop it in Photoshop. So now we can create a panorama. You can see it's very large. Your PC won't support it. So I recommend you use an 8K file, and it's for a good computer. You use a PSD file and you put it at 16 bits per channel. You can choose no compression and keep it as layered. Hit OK. Then you can create your panorama. When it's done, you have a PSD file and you can open it with Photoshop. As you can see, our image is not a very good frame, so we need to frame it. The thing is that to keep less as possible of this blank space. Then, this is why we used Photoshop. We'll create a new layer, use your healing tool, and just fill all of these areas. When it's done and you have something that pleases you, we can export it using an add-on called exr.io. I linked you in the description. So we choose Save As, Export as a EXR, Unchecked Layers. Is this not a copy? Then Save. Yes. When you export your EXR, check a float color depth, use a zip, and don't touch anything, and then write. It will export your file. We can go into Blender. When we are in Blender, we'll create a new file. Just remove this default cube, this light, like this. You can go into the world section and check in colors, go for environment texture. Then we can open our EXR file in our desktop. We can preview it in Eevee or in cycles if we want, using our GPU. We can create a UV sphere, shade smooth, add a new material as glossy material, go for 0 as roughness, and when we have done everything, we can hit render and you can see our HDRI map showing into the render. So I hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in the next episode.